So I've got my 4-pack of fly fans here. These are so super easy to use. When you do receive them, you are going to get 4 charging cords. And these do have a runtime up to 11 hours. I mean, right now they're really small and compact when you're not using them. They also they do have a hook right here, so you can hang them upside down. When you're ready to use them, you just pull them out till they click, and you're ready to go. On the bottom side here, we do have a button, so there's 2 different settings for this. Let me go ahead and turn this one on, I'll show you. One is it's just going to spin. But if you want to use the LED lights, you press it again, and you're going to see all these different colors. And to put the blades on, all you're going to do is take that shaft, put the blade on there, push down, and you're ready to go. The blades are just nice and flexible. As they're spinning, I don't have to worry about my grandchildren being by them. They're just super easy to use. I love that they're so colorful too. These are great for using whether it's indoors or outdoors. Maybe you're camping, having a picnic out here, maybe like by the pool like I like to. They're super compact when you're not using them, and when they're all extended, it reaches up to right around 11 inches, and then right here is where we're going to go ahead and get it all charged up. So it's got everything I need. Hope you found this helpful.